Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Tap to Cache in iOS 18. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, first you want to have created an Apple wallet and like Apple card already. If you don't, just do that first. Then open your Apple wallet, then click on the Apple Cache. Then you want to click on Send or Request. From there, you just want to tap on Tap or Cache and to who are you sending this money to. From there, you just enter the amount. It can be any amount you want. Top right, click on Next, and then just click on the lock button twice and once you have done that, hold the top of your iPhone near another iPhone or Apple Watch and it will be sent. But if you are outside the US, you don't get this feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.